welcome you watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Police foil terror plot by HNLC, arrest 4 suspects in Meghalaya. Khasi Students' Union protests Citizenship Amendment Act in Northeast India. BSF foils smuggling attempt, seizes goods worth rupees 14 lakh on Meghalaya-Bangladesh border. And dispute arises over non-locals as local headmen in Meghalaya's border areas. And now the news in detail. The police in East Khasi Hills and Khubor district have successfully thwarted a potential terror attack orchestrated by the National Liberation Council (HNLC). 4 members of the band outfit were apprehended following the interception of a Bolero pickup truck bearing registration number ML123243 on the Umsning Mauhati Road at 6 p.m. Among the arrested individuals is Damanbha Ripnar, the driver of the vehicle from which the improvised explosive device IED was seized. The bomb detection and disposal squad from Shillong promptly responded to the scene, neutralizing the bomb by cutting its wires. Additional arrests include Robinis Ripnar, Jil Taryang and Shining Nongrum, all residents of Khubor district. Police reports indicate the group's intention to detonate explosives in Shillong and Nongpo. Authorities confiscated a cache of weapons and materials including 15 gelatin sticks, 167 rod pieces infused in the IED bomb, 1 safety fuse wire, 3 detonators and 5 mobile phones. The thwarted attack highlights law enforcement's vigilance and proactive measures in safeguarding the region from terrorist threats. In a bold display of opposition, the Khasi Students' Union KSU under the Northeast Students' Organization NEHU vehemently protested the implementation of the Citizenship Amendment Act CAA in Northeast India. On March 12, they set ablaze the work regulations of the contentious law near the KSU statue in front of the MBO's office. The event was attended by prominent leaders including NEHU President Samuel Jarwa, KSU President Lombok Star Marngar and General Secretary Donald V. Thaba. The protest signals growing discontent among regional communities against the CAA's implications.
President Samla Lombok Star Marngar, General Secretary Samla Donald Thaba, dekat kajian lang Pak Daniel Krim, Bolong Koordinator Jaman NEHU Nagaliang Jaman KSU. Rekat ru bat kiwei ki seng beserap lang bat NEHU Eastern Union lagi jela paper po Assam, Tripura, apo Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Nagaland, Manipur, bat penjuru po Tura, inai rai bat mentangsi. Hadirin baka sokar India menin kalau pernah yang kini girul sementara jok Citizenship Amendment Act arja tak kendai Nagaliang jok NEHU kebelayai persyak nadu arja kan riu ya ka CEB mengitip atau Khubor bat kalau kelas CEA tahun Disember arja tak kendai Nagaliang jok NEHU hadirin baka sokar India menin kalau pernah ya kita girul kita kendon kipanlah penderikam ya ka Citizenship Amendment Act Nagaliang cungi penpau kejik persyak baka sorkar India hadirin balak South League Islam bakala penongan ya ka CA arja ka kendai jaka kan Peit kita kijing kijing ut jing lam jong ki trai muluk jong ka than sti lam mi brokwe hari ni ki saus nam tam ka klem perkhat kita rei penban pose kawan ra penban lagi ni ki an ki belong persya ya ka pha kamiat jong trai muluk ni ki just people jong ka than sti lam mi brokwe ki red pai jong ka than sti lam mi brokwe yai dawa yak hok jongi nakawai Khubor sakawai pat nakalong hajala Meghalaya nakalong hajala Assam Tripura Nagaland Mizoram Arunachal Pradesh dan Manipur nyai dawai hok jongi rega sarkar India jaga kan ai kita kicing lawa ki belong ka jingada ka jing pendek pensa ya kariti ke dostur ka jing pendek pensa ya ka tien ka thli hendrai kawan raman kan ka an kawan long ka jing penslur ya ki bari ki buan na po Bangladesh bagi dia long kita ki trairi hang ne po dari India hi berawai dan nak liang kan dia so ki persya ya kan ni jing le jong sarkar India man ki kwa ban pha ka Khubor ka basai saka sarkar India bagi ka jing yai le mina jong sarkar India le si kan wan ra ya ka jing sngau mong ka jing sau diau jing ki trairi trai muluk nadu ki poro mensua ban hadu ni khlimat pamenta bata ka jinga cengai kada ka cengai ka jinga dei nakawai ka spor sakawai pat bat kum ka jai pedeu ret pat hang ne po celam Meghalaya ka jingai le mina jong ka sarkar India nakawai ka snam sakawai pat kawan ra aru ya ka jing bitar jing ki Samla hagi bapun ki liang bat kawan ra aru ka jing ya kenat ka jing bamya sutanat pa ka sarkar India kale ini ki blok persya ya kabah kamiat jongi ki trai muluk dia hakum kini Khubor in perpawi ka jing persya ka jongi ya kani gi an menta jong kasi bat ka jing persya jongi om tang hari Shillong hari hatura bat kiwi pan ibenta jong than sti lambingi menta kasien ka deso lengkat par ki isu in perpawi ka jing persya na bangi thang ya kini ki rules dari ki an jong kasi hakani Khubor menta please
We oppose Glorgari! Matchabrang! Glorgari! Matchabrang! Glorgari! Amsterdam! KSU! Amsterdam! KSU! Amsterdam! KSU!
In a proactive operation, Border Security Force BSF personnel stationed at the Meghalaya frontier intercepted a smuggling attempt on March 11, 2024. The alert troops from the 172 Battalion seized clothing items and health supplements valued at over rupees 14 lakh. Acting on precise intelligence, the BSF intercepted the consignment near the East Jaintia Hills district's international border just before it could be smuggled into Bangladesh. The seized goods were promptly handed over to local customs authorities for further investigation and necessary action. Tension brewed in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC on March 12 as opposition leader Titos W. Khan voiced disagreement over non-locals holding positions as local headmen in Khasi areas near the Meghalaya-Assam border. Khan highlighted concerns over recent meetings between non-Khasi tribes and the Chief Minister regarding local headmanship. In response, Deputy CEM Penshngan NSAM stated that the Hima Malayam and Executive Committee had addressed the matter. The dispute underscores ongoing complexities surrounding local governance and ethnic representation in the region.
Asyik kamu something about more the whole headland institution of the time border, activity time border, right Norway. Kemudian lagi bawa balik bendang ke sini tu, ya ki perut garu ki basah di time border, makin long tak headland dan di rampak senang. Naso bagani ni jindawa. Jong ini kisah. Ketika threat yang kejatuh. Ketika threat yang keriti संसार के चुनी. हम तब इकली नौ संसार की चुनी. Balada. Ni ayat yang ini. Begini di perlok daru kilong kirang basno. Haki than boda. Hei banja ya dari itu. Hei isu kata ikhtiar untuk hidup sosial berkesiim. Isorat. Nomor tip imla online ini begini di perlok ini langsung nong hati boda sila boda mau seram radio mau serut ramberai jira bakom tak tetap ada mentah kecil penyak senang kecil kontrol dan kecil penyak di beliau di perlu kadang halor dari susah terhadap jom klino susah kuno kerja yang ada susah begini yang di hima begini beladar macam beladar macam kiriti susah yang berkompani action ladang di ayah jadi perlu makin kau meladi makin long kira pas. Aku kata kerti susah tu. Tak enak anak. Dengan so pada kalian juga isi ide pada pendek. Bagaimana ayah? Wala ada kadang ke interference nak inugi nugi anda. Ini pada pendek ini bagaimana ayah? Ba, ya kritik itu store tu bagi dan bantuan. Ila ai kita hok kung kinong India berkata ila yo ya hok aku beda bagi development ila yo ya hok haki jingnan kam kijoki kibalong mandas ni minum lah compromise kebaan nak kami hakan budget.
On March 12th, the Laujinrio Nok Thamai Dorbar Shnong in Shillong marked a milestone by inaugurating the third floor of its office. The project, costing 15 lakh rupees, was funded by the Chief Minister's Development Fund for 2022 to 2023 with support from Dr. Jasmine Lingdor, MLA candidate from Nok Thamai constituency. Minister of Health, Dr. Ambreen Lingdor, graced the occasion as the chief guest, alongside local headman SB Karshandi and other dignitaries. The event concluded with a prayer and blessing by Reverend Dr. J.F. Jirwa and Reverend N.B. Dingdo, underscoring the community's unity and progress.
Panggil kan ikan luang berie, dengan Shillong yang sah, dengan kamai dengan kecil.
Mo, pocket yang nakajing tuwen ka bakra. Ya dedicate ya kanigawon. Nakabenta inong nong jong allow general ki barok away. Nakaliang Honorable Chief Minister, nakaliang Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, IAP kakarku kakardo. But nginang yatay, nginang yatray, hakini kisnem ki panuwa. Kan mau ya kasorkar la jong haki jingtuay ki jongpi, kan mau ya ginong ya lam jongpi na ki jingtuay ki jongpi, apadeng ki jingtenjo ki babon, kachat penriu jungi kachat penriu ka batip play, ka batip beriu, ka ito ya ki koriki ka, ka baburom ya ki shnong bat kinong ya lam shnong. Bat ngin yay day ya kata, bat ay bakan kesan, bat kan nang kiyo ilan, bangin long lang barok, kita kinong syarai, jong kijat penrewe jong. Kakno nila kan ay ngimpatif, haka bajar-jar, in siya tu Dr. Jasmine Nefi, in contribute seconded, ban Peit ba, pila penang yan, in kwa yan yun yung kita kimau jekin, ngikin ngayu kita kirot por bangang kiu sini salor ni hapan bet ba at least ni devan I funding ban at least ban long set yaki bakiu shuni shalot te be sure ba nginle ye kata nakaliang jong kasokad ban hakani kapor ngalangit tang kawai bangi ngide tang di channel jong ublay hi un penkentang ublay hi un say madang but ublay hi un aibor ti ban syukular kalau kamu pakla nilayo i kalau don hak jingmut kejongi ngin pet bangin peteng ni kani kakam kabadon kam kerki nakaliang kejonga ngaso buram palat ko pidon nok snong kumba katni ila ay kani kejaka kibabon kisnong iba ngaru ngasyong ngalalong emeli bunsnem Rene kidaw ki bamla lai ngimna pangintay kumigini kiyen aman kedong aman kesnong but ngihi kum kasorkar nginget nang ni syakmat nginten iyepi ngihap ban empower yaki nong snong toy lele sa yaki nong penyat snong namarba hakum kene kakya kasyon kadetang kadong kesnong kabanla ban guide yangi bangin deliver ka delivery come day hakata ka political partnership tuni ka delivery ka day ban day ben.
On March 12th, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated a series of infrastructure projects in Meghalaya. He laid foundation stones for repairing the Polo Market, Yodo, car parking and beautifying 5 ponds across the state. The event took place at Nanpolok, signalling a commitment to enhance public amenities. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.